Good evening, everyone. Slow and steady wins the race. It is a very simple but very powerful quote. We all know about the story of the rabbit and the tortoise. The story teaches us how to be consistent in our life, and in our practical life, we all think about doing something big to work towards our goals, and the story teaches us to be consistent on that work, like doing something productive in a day, and doing very simple tasks like cleaning an entire room, or helping our parents to do their work. These are the very simple tasks, but we have to be consistent on that work, like some other tasks like doing exercise at home, or doing yoga or meditation, and going to the gym. We don't have to be expert on that task, and we don't have to be perfect on this task, but we have to be consistent. Then
How can a student get good marks?
like we all know, we have to study well for our exams, and
What the story teaches to the students? If
some
you want to
students,
get a good marks.
some like the average students, they try to score good marks before the night of the exam. This is not a proper idea of. They think they will get good marks study only before the night of the exam, but it is not a good idea.
Who are the students? The students who think that they are brilliant, they are intelligent, they can cover the, just as the rabbit thought that, oh, I can.
Yes.
Like, oh, yeah. So this sort of students. And who are the who are the toppers most of the time?
Yes, the toppers, they have a great plan from the beginning. They started
Yeah.
from the beginning of the year. They started studying, and they study. They improve themselves 1% in a day.
Yeah.
And and at the end of the year, they score a very well mark in their exams. This is the main strategy. They started studying from the starting.
How can we make our habit our career? How can we make our habit our career? If I want to be a guitarist, if I want to be a singer, if I want to be a teacher or whatever, so how can I be? Where is this story helps us?
Yes, as a passion, you can work on your passion, what your interests are in, and you can work towards your goals. Like if you want to be an artist, if you want to be a singer, you have to practice in your home. Like
Just as a slow and steady wins,
Yes.
there is a slowly every day,
slowly, every day you can practice, you will get better day by day. That is the main point behind
How
this.
much confident you are in speaking English, and what did you get from this class?
Yes, as earlier in the class, I was very nervous to come on the stage, and this course helped me a lot, the most, to get confidence, because before this course I was not able to go on any stage or any school functions, and now I am very confident. I can speak in front of everyone.
So what have you planned? You are going to host any of the program in your school?
I have no idea now.
Here,
And
if there is any program there?
Yes, I can try.
I can try this. What I can do.
I can.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.